Hello everyone, and welcome to DreamzCMMS. Today we will show you how easy it is to create smart, AI-generated checklists directly from the web portal. Whether you're preparing for a routine inspection or organizing specialized maintenance tasks, our AI-powered checklist generator saves you time and ensures accuracy. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the checklist module and go to the checklist section from the main navigation. Click on the AI-powered checklist generation option. This opens a smart pop-up window where you can either describe your checklist, for example, AC repair checklist, or select options like industry type, frequency, or asset type. For this demonstration, I'm entering the checklist title as AC repair checklist and using the same information in the description. As soon as you click on Generate Checklist, our AI engine will automatically create the checklist and take you to the checklist management screen. Here you will see that the checklist title and description have been automatically filled in. You also have the option to select the industry and checklist type. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the tags and task information such as checking the power, cleaning the filter, inspecting for leaks, and verifying the thermostat have been intelligently populated based on the title and description you provided earlier. You can edit and regenerate the checklist anytime by clicking on the Edit and Regenerate Checklist button. If everything looks good, simply click on Save. Additionally, you have the option to preview the checklist before saving. When you click on Preview, a detailed view of the checklist will appear. At the bottom of the preview, you will see the option to close it. If you want to modify any information, you can do so in the Add Checklist Task section. Once you have reviewed and confirmed all the tasks, click on Save. This action will successfully add the checklist to your project and redirect you to the checklist list screen. To add a new checklist again, just click on Add New, and it will take you to the checklist creation screen. After I create the checklist, I am going to show you how to use the same checklist in the work order and how it will appear in your mobile application. To do so, I simply need to click on Work Order and then click on Create Work Order. It can be a work order or it can be a job as well. In the work order screen, let me provide a title here, maybe AC Repair Work 1, and I'm just keeping the same information in the description field as well. Here, I am just providing the title and the time, so it's from 12 to 1 p.m. I am selecting a customer here, and the address is automatically populated. I am assigning it to Jimmy Williams, and in the labor tasks section, I am going to select the checklist. I will choose the same checklist, AC Repair Checklist. I have not selected any asset, so I'm not assigning it to any asset. Now, I just click on Add Task. So, the assignee is already filled in. Now, I just click on Save. As soon as I click on Save, let me share my mobile application. You can now see AC Repair Work here. I just tapped on the same work. In the Asset and Task section, I am not able to see any tasks at the moment. So, let me start working. And as soon as I start working, let me go back, and here, you are able to see all the tasks showing over here. This is how you can create a checklist using our AI generator. You can access it, add that same checklist in the work order, assign those tasks to any technician, and they will appear in the mobile application. And that's it. In just a few clicks, DreamzCMMS helps you generate smart, accurate checklists tailored to your needs, all powered by AI. Review, customize, and save with ease to streamline your maintenance workflow like never before. Thank you for watching and experiencing the power of intelligent automation with DreamzCMMS.